how does your faith play into the way you do things? And yung Tawid Live is an expression of how our faith plays into how we do our music, how we live our lives. It's integral to what we do. When we were thinking of the worship moment, ang alam lang po namin while we were preparing for the concert, we wanted to have a space wherein God can move and God can just, minister to people. Kasi nga, bilang alam namin na yung mga songs namin, may certain depth and may certain hatak siya for people to be vulnerable. We don't want to waste the moment that people are open and people are vulnerable. Na as they expose their brokenness, we don't just want to stop there. Na okay, nasakit no? Okay, bye. We want to also be true to what we say na we're here from Hugot to Healing. And we believe that it is only God that can heal their broken hearts. And therefore, we really create that space. Pero to be honest, during that time of worship, a lot of that is spontaneous. And if you observe, there are moments there na walang lyrics kasi hindi rin alam ng team namin na, hala, kakantay pala yun. So it was really spontaneous, but going back to the question, kami po, again, lagi namin sinasabi, kami po ay nagsimula as worship leaders sa aming simbahan. Kami po ay mga musicians sa aming simbahan. So we always want to go back to that, not to prove anything, hindi para magbigay ng statement or may patunayan sa mga tao. But if we're gonna be real, if we're gonna be an authentic artist, hindi po mawawala yung part na yun. So, yeah, and we hope that people were blessed during that time.